happy early Mother's Day to all you sweet mamas out there. Of course, Mother's Day is this Sunday, and if you want to stay in and spoil mom instead of going out and spending a whole lot of money, we are so lucky that Diana Arias with Dawn Strange Catering is back. Girl, this is gorgeous.
Well, happy Mother's Day to you.
Happy Mother's Day to you as well. I love your outfit. You're so springy.
Thank you. So what we're kind of combining, today is National Shrimp Day too.
Well, I didn't know that.
Yeah,
No.
so we're combining a beautiful shrimp dish for Mother for her brunch, and a beautiful strawberry basil. We're going to make a syrup and a couple of drinks out of it.
Oh, girl, of course you are. And by the way, Mother's Day should be the day to eat whatever you want.
Absolutely.
And I told Diane, I want a whole lot of this on Mother's Day. Mayo.
There you
go. In many different recipes.
The real thing, too.
Yeah, none of that light business on Mother's Day.
Right.
Okay, so we're
going to get busy making, we're going to make our syrup first, and then over our cocktails, and move to shrimp. So basically what we're doing here, and I think the recipes are all online there.
We're taking
fresh strawberries, cut them up. We're putting them in a little blender. Look at the little easy blender I brought this time.
I love that little baby.
We always throw things around, right?
She brings the industrial size ones, and we always end up with a mess.
So we're just blending those up. And it's really a simple syrup that you can make and use for a lot of things.
Okay.
So you're going to put it over in your saucepan. I added a little bit of water in there. And we're using fresh basil. Basil and strawberry together is wonderful.
Little combo. What kind of blender is that? I like that little guy.
It's just like a...
Oh, it's a little Hamilton Beach. Okay.
Yeah, like for your, lunch shake or something.
Sure.
Yeah, it's great. Okay, and then we're adding some sugar. And we are adding a little bit of water and the basil, and that cooks down. You want enough strawberry puree, and add the water to make 1 cup in the recipe.
Got it.
So, and this is what it looks like. And when you're putting it in here, you let it simmer, sauce down, cool, and this is our syrup. So very, very easy.
You made your own
you
syrup.
can put this over ice cream. You can put it in all types.
Now that is fresh.
Isn't that nice?
Yes.
Okay, so we'll come back to what we're going to do with that, but let's move over to our shrimp salad.
Okay.
So shrimp, National Shrimp Day. You can buy shrimp like this already cooked. You can buy
I like
it
that
fresh.
I like that already cooked kind.
Peel
Yes.
it, boil it yourself. So I have some cooked boiled shrimp here, peeled and deveined. And
I was going to say she even deveined them. I can tell. Of course she did. Yes, it's Mother's Day.
Had a little help.
Yeah.
So we're going to add, this is really one of my favorite shrimp recipes, a little salt. Now, a key is use white pepper.
White
it keeps
pepper.
it pretty, so you don't have that dark.
Oh, yeah, that makes sense.
So, but pepper is such an important ingredient in shrimp salad. But we're using white pepper. We're using a little Dijon mustard.
Okay.
Celery for some nice crunch.
I'm here with the mayonnaise when you're ready.
Okay, and then we have some fresh dill in there. A little lemon juice. And we're going to put a dash of Tabasco.
Oh, yes, you are.
Now,
a little fire.
If you like onion, you can put red onion in it. Yeah, I saw that.
I'm not an onion fan.
You could use chive.
Okay.
Or you can use some serrano peppers.
I like that idea.
Okay, let's go for it.
Oh, do I get to do it? Now, how much am I supposed to put in here?
Till your heart is happy,
what?
right?
You don't want me to do that,
A couple, two giant big scoops.
How about
and I think the recipe tells you about a cup for about a pound, a little extra. There you go.
Good stuff.
Yeah, and so simple. It's very mixed. You just mix that up, and look how beautiful it comes together.
So simple,
yeah,
especially if you get that shrimp pre-cooked.
Pre-cooked, peeled and deveined, ready to go. And so anyway, I've got it plated here on a nice bed of Bibb lettuce. We have some avocado next to it, or you could just cut your avocado in half and stuff it in there as well.
Oh, yes, you could.
That's nice. So this is a beautiful brunch item. You have a little crackers with it, but that's
beautiful.
Nice. I think Mother will enjoy this.
Yeah,
that's
I
pretty.
need one of these in my life. I like the size of it. You can put a lot on there for Mom.
Well, those are catering company. You use lots of those.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to use our syrup. And the first drink we're going to make is just put a little bit of the syrup down in the bottom. And I'm using this really nice, it's just a sparkling water, but it's strawberry and basil.
Well, looky there, same thing as
you
what's
can
in
use
your...
Topo Chico if you wish.
Yeah.
But
that looks good.
Look how refreshing that is.
I know. Even sounds refreshing.
Yes. And so we're just going to do this, put a little garnish, and you're ready to go with a little refreshing drink.
Look at
You can top it
It's a
off
little
bit.
mocktail.
Yeah, exactly. Now, the
Thank
next
you.
one we're going to do is we're going to take a pretty glass and I'm going to get some sparkling wine.
Oh, that's good.
Isn't that nice? Refreshing. Okay, can you grab a popsicle out of the freezer for
Absolutely.
me?
I didn't know
It's
we had
right there.
popsicles in here.
Right
We do.
there.
Oh, one of these?
Or
one of these?
One of these, right
Oh.
there.
There you go.
Okay.
Enjoy.
So, thank you. So this is a little strawberry popsicle. We're going to put that in there. We're going to add our syrup and the bottom of it. Look how pretty that is.
So good.
And then we're going to top it off with a little sparkling wine. And there's.
That's adorable.
I think Mother would enjoy this.
I believe
right?
I'm a mother and I would enjoy this, yes. Do
And
you
you
eat
can
the
guard it?
popsicle?
Of
Do you just stir
course.
it?
Can put a little
What
strawberry
is
in
the right
there.
way to have this cocktail?
Whatever makes you happy. But dipping
That's
the
so
strawberry,
good,
dipping the
too.
popsicle in there is nice.
Yes, I would probably take it out and eat it, and then
Yes.
drink the champagne.
There you go. There you go.
Well,
So
these are such fantastic recipes.
absolutely, they're very easy, and I think will be enjoyed for
Yeah,
Mother's Day.
and I love all the different things you did with the strawberries too. You even threw a cheesecake in, Diana.
And some chocolate covered. How about you need to
Yes.
take a little chocolate covered strawberry with you?
Is that chocolate covered? But it's pink.
Pink strawberry.
Adorable. Well, guys, we
Okay.
will put everything that Diana just made here, the recipe, on our website, Watch Daytime. But again, you can follow her. You're on all the socials, right?
Absolutely.
Follow her on Instagram. Everywhere else you can find Diana. She's always posting the best stuff. And of course, if you need catering or you need her to up your next party, she's here for that too.
Thank
Happy
you.
Mother's
Thank
Day.
you. Same
Thank
to
you
you.
so much,
You're
sweet
welcome.
friend.